All right, Math 115 pre-cal students. I wanted to make a video. I didn't have time in class today to show you how you graph in my math lab. And so in a couple of examples, they're going to request that you graph an equation of a line as well as an equation of a circle. And so I wanted to review that. Here is your XY plane. If this is not big enough for you, you have two options. You can go to here, to this plus sign there, and it'll enlarge it. It doesn't do a huge job of enlarging it, but it does make you a bigger graphing area, and you can click to enlarge here and you get the same thing. If you want to graph the equation of a line, I know this example is one with an equation of a circle, but I'm going to go over the equation of a line first. Be sure to pay attention to what points they want you to plot. If they don't say anything, then you can plot any 2 points. Sometimes they'll request that you plot using the X and Y intercepts, so be careful there. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to, I'm going to click to my line tool. And then you want to plot your first point. So say I want to plot my X and Y intercepts. And I have an X intercept at 3, 0, and a Y intercept at negative 0, negative 4, right? So I'm going to plot one point by placing my cursor on that point. I'm going to click one time, and the circle became a square. And now I have a line, and that point is in place. And then I'm going to go, I forgot what I said, but I'm going to go to where my other point is, and I'm going to put my cursor there. I'm going to click, and it's going to keep that in place. If I ever mess up, I can click the clear button, press OK, and I can start over. So first point, click. Second point, click. You can save, and then you can check your answer. All right. If you want to graph a circle, I'm going to clear this off. Make sure you click the circle tool, and one point that you always have to plot first is your center. So say I have a circle with the center at the point 0, 3, which is on my y-axis here. I'm going to plot that first, and then I'm going to use my knowledge of my radius to help me plot another point. For instance, if I had a radius of 3 units, then I'm going to go to the right 1, 2, 3 units, and then I'm going to click my point, and then I have a circle with my radius 3. All right, or if you knew another point that your circle went through, then you can plot that point as well. All right, again, if you mess up, you can press clear, and you can do it all over again. Notice here, I did my radius by going to the right. I had my center at the 0, 3. If my radius was 3, I could go up 3 from my center, 1, 2, 3, and then plot my point that way, right? It'd be weird or awkward for you to try to go 3 units like diagonally or something, because it's not gonna necessarily do it for you appropriately. But there you go. That's how you plot in my math lab.